Hello dear students, we will continue chapter number 7, Motion, Force and Work of Standard 7th. In this fourth part, we will see numericals of this lesson. We need notebook and pen. You can pause the video after each example and you try the same in the science notebook. I already posted all notes of this lesson. So after that notes, you have to write these examples in notebook. Also you can do the revision of these examples in rough notebook. I hope all children are ready with pen and notebook. Children, this question is there in the textbook. Is on page number 50. Question number 2. Observe the figure and answer the questions. Sachin and Samir started on a motorbike from place A. Took the turn at B. Did a task at C. Traveled by the route CD to D. And then went to E. Altogether, they took 1 hour. They took 1 hour for this journey. Find out the actual distance from A to E. From A to E. From this, deduce their speed. You have to find out speed. What was their velocity from A to E? In the direction AE. Can this velocity be called average velocity? All these question answers we have to give. See, first, actual distance. Sachin and Samir traveled the actual distance. That is from A to B, then B to C, then C, D, and then DE. So, actual distance is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE. Look at here. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE. So, is equal to 3 kilometer plus 4 kilometer plus 5 kilometer and then plus 3 kilometer. So, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. And 12 plus 3, 15 kilometer. So, actual distance is 15 kilometer from A to E. 15 kilometer. This is the actual distance. Now, second, displacement. What is displacement, children? We learn in the explanation the minimum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction from the original point to the final point is called the displacement in one direction. So, displacement is equal to AB plus BD plus DE. So, look at here, AB plus BD plus DE. So, that is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, total 9 kilometer. So, we already found displacement 9 kilometer. See children, distance and displacement we already got. These values we can use to find out speed and velocity. So now next one, they already told in the question, from this reduce their speed. So speed is equal to distance traveled upon total time. So what is distance traveled? 15 kilometer. And total time 1 hour. So first we will convert that 15 kilometer into meter. How we can convert? See children, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 15 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 15 into 1000. So 15,000 meters. Okay, distance is 15,000 meter. And time. Time is 1 hour. Means how many seconds? 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60. Means 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So that is 60 into 60, 3600. Okay, 3600 seconds. Okay, time we got 3600 seconds. We will put these values in the formula. What is the formula? Speed is equal to distance travel upon total time. Distance travel 15,000 meter and total time is 3600 seconds. So now see here, these zeros cancel, these zeros cancel. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Here 3 5s are 15 and 3 0 0. Okay, again we can divide. Yes, by using 2 we can divide. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 25s are 50. Okay, now let's do the calculation here. 25 divided by 6. 6 fours are 24. 1 remain. Take a decimal point. It become 10. 6 ones are 6. 4 remain. Now again 1 0. Till 2 decimal points we will find out the value. 6 6 are 36. 4 remain. Let it be now. Till 2 decimal points we got answer 4.16 meter per second. Meter per second. Speed is equal to 4.16 meter per second. Now we will find out velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. So velocity is equal to displacement. Displacement we already got that value 9 kilometer. 9 kilometer. So we will convert into meter. 9 kilometer is equal to 9 into 1000. So 9000 meter. Kilometer we converted into meter. Now this displacement value we will write here, and total time. Total time already children you know 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So check here. Time is 1 hour 3600 seconds. Velocity is equal to displacement upon total time. Displacement is 9000 meter. 9000 upon 3600 seconds. That is the time. Let's do the calculation. 2 zeros cancel, 2 zeros cancel. 9 fours are 36. 9 tens are 90. Now again you can divide. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. We can do calculation here. 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remain. Take decimal point. It become 10. 2 5s are 10. So we got answer 2.5 meter per second. That is the velocity. Velocity is equal to 2.5 meter per second. So yes, this velocity can be called as a average velocity. What is means the velocity of an object can change even while it is moving along a straight line. See in this question we could find distance, displacement, speed. Speed is 4.16 meter per seconds. Then velocity 2.5 meter per second. So all question answers we finish here. Now second question. This question also is there in the textbook exercise. A force of 1000 Newton was applied to stop a car that was moving with a constant velocity. The car stopped moving through 10 meter. How much is the work done? Look at here what is given. Force 1000 Newton. So F is equal to 1000 Newton force. Then displacement. See, displacement is 10 meter. Displacement S is equal to 10 meter. That is the displacement. What we have to find out? Work done. Work done is equal to W. That work done we will find out. Work done formula W is equal to force into displacement. So force is 1000 Newton into displacement is 10 meter. Now 10 ones are 10. 1, 10 0 0, 10 0 0, 10 0 0 and 10 ones are 10. So this is the answer, 10,000 joule. Work is equal to 10,000 joule. This was second question. Now let's move for the next question. Third question. A cart with mass 20 kg went 50 meter in a straight line on a plain and smooth road. When a force of 2 Newton was applied to it, how much work was done by force? Again here, what we have to find out? Work done. Okay, work done is equal to force into displacement. Everyone know the formula. Work done is equal to force into displacement. What is given in the question? Force. Force is given 2 Newton. Then displacement 50 meter. Here this value no need to consider. Here mass value no need to consider. So now put that values in the formula. W is equal to F into S, means force into displacement. Force is given 2 Newton and displacement is 50 meter. So 2 into 50, 100 joule. W is equal to 100 joule. Okay, I hope everyone understood whatever I tried to teach you all. Now, all try to write this all sums in the notebook. Thank you.